Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make a recurring task here in Asana. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Asana, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating recurring tasks in Asana is a great way to automate and streamline tasks that needs to be completed regularly. Whether it's a daily or weekly, monthly, or a custom recurrence, Asana provides a straightforward steps to set this up, right? For example, if you are creating the same task repeatedly, I believe that it will reduce the manual entry and keeps your workflow streamlined. Now, there are two ways for you to create a recurring tasks here in Asana. Number one is, for example, this is going to be the task that you are going to have a recurrence. There's going to be an option here. For example, this one. Now, you see, there's going to be an option that says due date. Okay. Click on it. And there's, for example, you wanted to have a recurrence of 5. I don't know. It's up to you. But the thing is, you need to click this icon or button right here that says set to repeat. Obviously, that's a recurring task, right? Now, you have many options here. You can choose the daily. For example, it's going to be happen from Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, I don't know, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Friday, Saturday, even Sunday. It's all up to you. You can also choose the weekly. For example, it'll happen every Sunday, or maybe it'll happen by every Thursday or even Saturday. It's all up to you. Okay. Now, you see, when you do that, it'll select the dates real time, right? Every Saturdays. If you click on the monthly, obviously, you have more control over the monthly on the first Sundays or first Monday, or maybe on the third of a Thursday. On that day, you see you have multiple options here. 11th. Now, when you click on the yearly, well, if the update is just sporadically, just click on yearly. You have an option for periodically. All right. For example, days after completion after like 7 seconds, and it's all up to you. And the custom is it going to be in spurts? Is it going to happen every Sunday or a Thursday? So it's all up to you. All right. So that's one way. Now, if you want to exit that and you go to list, there's going to be option here for the due date as well. Similarly to that, when you click on it, you have an option for the recurrence. All right. So this will lead you to the same option that we have checked earlier. Because I found that automating tasks that need to be completed regularly or maybe weekly, monthly saves time and effort that would otherwise be spent manually recreating these tasks. And of course, you don't have to create the same task repeatedly. And of course, if it's related to maintenance, such as system updates, if you're working for an IT department, equipment checks, or regular audits for accounting, it can be set to recur, ensuring they are not overlooked. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.